All right, Buffy, do you want to go for a ride? Go for a ride? All right, so it's a late start to the day, but we've also relaxed quite a bit. We've come to Fort Silicon Park to go for a walk. Actually, we've relaxed more today, or I have, than I usually do ever. We got warmers in our toes and our gloves.
We don't.
No, we don't. Mom does. Because, you know, we need to make sure everybody stays nice and toasty, don't we? We're going to go up here to the same place that Angie and I got married. Wow, this is cool. The whole lake is iced up. And there's people throwing ice across the lake, and it's making this really cool noise. God, that would suck.
If it fell in?
No, if it got stuck, because you can't walk out there and get it.
I think it is stuck.
Maybe we should go up there where they're doing it. That is so cool.
Very cool.
So I've never seen this lake frozen before. And the noise rocks and ice make. So the noise that you guys are hearing is the sound of ice and rocks going across the surface. I have never heard anything like that before. That is so cool. Wow, isn't this awesome? Have you ever seen anything like this, Mom?
Never.
Oh, that's so neat. Oh, thanks. You saved this one for me?
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to record you.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
Pretty neat.
Wow. Look how thick that is. That was fun. I have not done that. ever.
Never ever?
Never. I've never even heard ice do that. This is the first time I've ever been to a lake when it's been frozen over.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow, you've been missing out on lots of stuff.
I know. What'd you think, Mom?
Wow, that's cool. Really cool.
I never knew that they made noises like that. I mean, ice road truckers, but it was like the same sound clip every time they go over ice.
I tell you though, it's scary when you're out there walking on ice and it makes that squeaky, high-pitched noise, and you see the quiet, and you see the cracks underneath you.
Oh, yeah. God, it's so slippery though. I can't imagine. I mean, it's not deep enough here. We could actually stand. This whole thing is not very deep. Well, there's a lot of silt though, so I'm not sure you could actually stand.
It'd be like...
But to fall into a lake to where you can't stand and you're trying to grasp the ice, it's just so slippery, you can't do it.
You'd be so cold instantly, you'd hardly be able to move.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so coincidentally, we all have pocket warmers. Oh, my hands are frozen. That was so cool. You can see the trajectory of all the ice.
No, I've never seen that before. I don't even think I've seen it on TV.
That's pretty cool. All right, so this will be the last one. So we'll take care of this and be on our way. All right. How's a good walk? Up, up. Up, up. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. Good girl. Come here, over here. Over here. Good girl. She did it all by herself.
It's because she likes to leave.
Awesome. Fuel discounts rock. $3 a gallon. That's pretty good. You scared me.
Some crazy girl was talking to me, asking me questions, going, "Are you going to be?" And I was like, "What?" And she's
What?
like,
Wow.
so I ran away.
Oh, wow. I dropped Angie off over. I was just about ready to get some B-roll. That's why I pulled this out, and then you scared me.
I ruined everything.
No, you're fine. You didn't ruin anything. All right, so my B-roll is going to be this. That was not going to happen. Okay, well, that's bad. Don't you ferret face me. Oh, well, that wasn't supposed to have happened. Anyway, Safeway's right over there, and I gotta find some paper towels. Oh. Oh, this is funny. Oh my gosh. There we go, scratching the paint. Oh boy, yay, awesome. That's not good. Anyway, like I was saying, Safeway's over there, and Angie went to get some stuff for dinner, and then she scared me. So this clip didn't go half the way that I thought it would, but here we are. Well, it's 4:45 p.m. and we noticed some activity out here in the hen house. And there's a bird, again, flying around in here. All right, come on, little buddy. Time to go. Time to go. Say bye. Bye, come on. I know you're frightened, I know you're scared. I'm trying to let you out. The door's open. The door's open. Come on, out. There we go. Bye. All right, good. He's going to get home before it's dark outside and make sure all of the ladies are accounted for. Hi, ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi, ladies. Oh, yes. Hi. And their water stuff down here is working. So that's good. So they've had water, they've got food. Chicks are taken care of. And I don't imagine we'll have any eggs, but that's okay. And water here, yep, that's good. It's not warm at all, but it's not frozen, so that's important. And no eggs, only the 2 dummy eggs. And where's the rest? Oh yeah, the ice from the other day. Oh, it's peeing. Ew, with the grossness again. Oh no, I broke it. Oh, sad panda. Alright. It's time for me to get inside and get warm, because now that the sun's set, oh, it's a cold one. This isn't gonna work, is it? Would you like to? COC?
Alright.
What do you think we're doing?
I don't know. You're sitting down on the floor.
I am sitting on the floor. It's my favorite spot. I don't like this though, because it makes it look like I've got a big old head. Here we go. Here, you get in front of me so you could have the big head. Alright. Mr. Broat. Hi there.
Well, hello.
Ben Massey. Sweet first.
Sweet first?
You were actually second. Bet Todd is enjoying some winter weather this weekend, because I used Todd's outro last night. Mia, 2 beady eyes. We don't get to see the finished window?
It's not finished.
Yeah, it is.
Well, your stuff is finished.
Right, and I think that's what she was talking about. And yeah, it was, oh my gosh, so the top board there was like 3 cracks in it, and it was also twisted. So I had to use so many shims there, and these aren't shims that you get at the store. These are shims that I had to like cut and saw and make and measure. It was a real pain. It took me much longer than I thought. So when I was done, I was done. We packed up and we were out of there. Speaking of which, we still have to unpack the Ranger, the Nugget. Yeah, so we're still not unpacked from yesterday because I took it easy today. So I think that's all I want to say about that. Window, yep. So next time we're there, we'll film the window, but it looks much like the bedroom window looked. Tony Fredrickson finally got outside today. Roads are clean enough to grocery shop. The Jeep did good at -37. Could have been.
That's not Celsius.
Oh yeah.
It's like, wow, that's cold.
Yeah. Could have been a lot worse. I'm thankful. Actually, though, -37 Fahrenheit is almost -40 Celsius, because that's the crossover point. -40 is.
What is minus 37 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius? Oh yeah, okay, it's the same. That's pretty cold. Wow.
Yeah.
Brr.
Yeah. Burr. Halloween for Troy. So I'm sure someone else stayed at that accident, because I assume it's the same here, but if you witness an accident here in Utah, you're supposed to stay until the police officer what you saw. So I just want to know, is that the same, and did somebody stay, hopefully? Well, first of all, just because it's a fender bender does not mean that the police are called every time. Sometimes people don't need police to just handle their insurance, pick up the pieces, and drive off. That was number one. Number two, I did not witness the accident, so I didn't know how long they had been there. The only thing that I saw was the one car backing up, and I noticed somebody, if you take a look at the footage, somebody at the gas station coming down, and the passenger of the car had also gotten out. So, or not the passenger, I'm sorry, the driver had also gotten out. So the driver's out walking around in both cars, so everybody was obviously okay. I didn't witness it. It wasn't until I got home and I looked at the footage, I was like, holy cow, this did happen right before I got into the intersection. So I contacted the police department, gave them my name, the location, the license plate, year, make, model of the vehicle, all the pertinent information, along with my email address and my phone number and my name, so that if there's any question, they can contact me. I have saved the footage. Alright, I think we covered that one. And Halloween for Troy. Your mom's house is looking great. When it's done, is she going to live there, or is she going to sell it and get something else? And I understand if you don't want to answer this, if it's too personal, I totally get it, and sorry. She's totally going to live there, and she's going to enjoy the fruits of the labor of renovating. 360 Chris 88. Thanks, Troy. You're welcome. LJ Mike 1204. Won't you stop to ask for an email so you could send them the dash cam footage? And yep, already touched on that with Halloween First comment. And just the adventure. Yesterday, I almost witnessed the same thing. A black truck ran through a red light. Luckily, the car that was turning left saw the car coming. You know, and that's, looking back at the footage, this accident was totally avoidable, in my opinion, by both drivers. So, just trying to push that envelope just cost a bunch of people lots of money. All right, got anything else? Ooh, I've got something else. I will announce this tomorrow, earlier in the vlog, so that you guys can see it. But next Saturday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, the 30-second clip premieres for everybody to see.
30-second clip?
I'm sorry. Wow. The 1 second every day for 2023. I don't know why I said 30 second. Thank you. Thank you. She's my corrector. It goes live next Saturday, and it will be a premiere, so we will be there commenting along with you guys. All right, that's it.
Okay.
Happy hunting. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.